Hi, we're here today with Jari Krützfeldt, and he is a student in what? What's your?
I'm a student in Naval Architecture.
Naval Architecture, at the Center for Naval Architecture at KTH,
Yes,
correct?
exactly.
Yes. Where are you going this summer?
I'm going to Greenland this summer, to northern Greenland.
Northern Greenland. Why are you going there?
I'm going there to deploy the 10 bottom landers that I've built in my master thesis.
That's what these green things are here.
Exactly.
Bottom landers. What's a bottom lander?
Well, the idea of a bottom lander is that you deploy it somewhere and then it sinks to the ground and it stays at the bottom and it measures temperature then.
At the bottom of the ocean.
At the bottom of the ocean.
And so nobody has to come and fish these things out of the water.
Yeah, exactly.
It just goes right up into the...
Yeah, exactly. They surface, send all the data away, and nobody has to come and to get them. And the good thing is, later when they all have sent all the data, they're acting as so-called drifters.
Okay.
So what they do is they regularly get the position, try to get a fix from the GPS, so they know where the position is, and then they send their position away. So later on, you can mark and you can see where the body has been, and so you can see where the surface current, the velocity, and also the direction of the surface current. And if you get a lot of them in the water, you have a good picture of how the current is in this area is.
So where are you going to drop these? Where in the ocean do these go?
We are going to northern Greenland, to the Petermann Glacier, and we are going to drop them in the narrow strait and in front of the Petermann Glacier.
Okay, and that's the strait between North America coastline and Greenland,
Exactly.
Canada and Greenland. Why is this area good for doing this?
The area is good because oceanographers, they want to study how the Petermann Glacier is evolving. And what's happening at the Petermann Glacier? There's just icebergs kind of breaking off, and the glacier is melting, and they want to study and understand why this is happening.
Mm-hmm. And this will give you a chance to test the equipment in very extreme conditions, right?
Exactly. We just tested it now in the Baltic, and now we want to go a step further and see how it works and how it behaves under realistic conditions.
Mm-hmm. And to get there, how long does it take? Where are you going from and how are you getting there? And
we're getting there from Thule, which is a US Air Force base. So the icebreaker will leave Sweden now because it takes a really long time to get there. And we're going to fly there. Then we go on board a boat, and then it's about 2 days trip long to the north into the Narrow Strait, and then to the glacier.
Have you ever been on an icebreaker before?
No, I've never been on an icebreaker.
You imagine it might be loud?
I bet it's loud. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
What will you do in your free time? Do you have?
I'm living on a small island, so in the winter time I have to break a little bit my ice myself with a small boat when I want to go to school.
Okay.
So I know a little bit that it can get loud, but the dimensions are a lot different. So I'm curious how that works.
Yeah. You ride a boat to school.
I ride a boat to school every morning. Yes.
That is brilliant. Awesome. All right. Good luck, bon voyage, and we'll see you again on July 28th. We're going to have a Google Hang with Jari and talk more about what he's doing up there and what it's like to work on a scientific project in the Arctic.